Hey everyone, want your next giveaway to go viral? Here's how to use Facebook events for viral giveaways to boost reach and excitement. Let's get started. First, go to your Facebook page and click the menu and click events and create a new one. Then title it with something catchy like this. Then add a rules, deadline, and price details in description, like this example here. Then, after that, promote and interact. Invite your followers, share the event on your profile, and post daily countdowns and teasers in event discussion. You can also add a pinned post in your CTA and consider using event ads for bigger reach. Keep the hype up with emojis, GIFs, and live check ins. And that's how you can turn a simple giveaway into a viral Facebook event. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more social media growth tips. Thanks for watching.